HubKoin Exchange Tutorials: How to Reset Your Password in the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, there are lots of options to help you through your investment journey. This video will show you how to use the Reset Password feature. This feature can be used to change your password if you're already logged into your account. To begin, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Navigate to the HubKoin login page, enter your credentials, and click Login. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On the top right-hand corner, you will see a small arrow beside your username. This arrow, when selected, will open a drop-down menu. From there, you can select Settings. You will be redirected to your Profile and Security Settings section. This is where you can access the Reset Password feature. The Reset Password section is on the right-hand side in the third row, located beside the two-factor authentication options. To use this feature, select Reset Your Password. A pop-up will appear. To continue this process, select Send Email. An email will be sent to you with further instruction on how to reset your password. The email will include a link you can select or copy and paste into your browser to be connected to HubKoin's Reset Your Password screen. You will be prompted to enter a new password and repeat the same password in the field underneath. These passwords must match exactly. When you are satisfied with what you have entered, select Reset Password to complete the process. Once completed, you will be prompted to return to the exchange. Select Go to Exchange to return to HubKoin. You will be redirected to the login screen. If you wish, enter your credentials and log into your HubKoin account. We hope this video has assisted you in resetting your password through the Settings menu and is helpful to you on your investing journey.